If you really want to speed up gaming performance on your Android phone, consider to watch this video from beginning to the end and see step-by-step guide on how to simply improve and speed up your gaming performance on your Android phone. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are already new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. All right, so the first thing to do is to make sure we enable developer mode on our Android phone. And for us to do that, what we need to do is to head over to our Android phone right there and go to settings in our Android phone. So go to settings and it's going to open up like so. Next thing you need to do is to simply come to the search settings right here. So what you need to do right there is to simply type in build number. Then click on search. So it's going to open up like so. Next thing you need to do is to click on build number, which is under system about of the phone. So click on that. Then it's going to take you right here. So under the build number right here, what you need to do is to continue to tap the build number until you are enabled. So a step away from being a developer. Now you are now a developer. It's that simple. All right, after you have successfully enabled developer mode on your Android phone, next thing you want to do is to simply head over back to your phone settings. So I'm going to click on my settings right here. Then the next thing you need to do is to come to search settings right here. Then what you need to do right here is to simply type in developer. Then click on developer options. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down, all the way down. Continue to scroll down. Continue to scroll down. Continue to scroll down. Continue to scroll down until you get to four times MSAA. Just make sure you enable this button right here. Then the next thing you want to do is to head over to the graphics preference on your Android phone. So what you need to do is to simply search for graphics preference right here in developer mode. So you can continue. And all right, so we have gaming driver preferences. So click on that. Then under gaming driver preferences, this is where you enable graphics card for your gaming app. So what you need to do right here is to simply scroll down and choose your gaming app. And then once you choose your gaming app, like for instance, once you choose your gaming app, next thing you want to do right here is to select game driver. So once you select game driver, then you'll be able to enjoy your gaming experience on your Android phone, and the performance of your gaming is going to drastically improve. It's as simple as that. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.